this is the Seven Mountains New Holland hit-miss motor that I'm going to be listing on eBay. Finally got a nice day here in eastern Pennsylvania that I could get outside and start this thing up. We've kind of had a winter from hell here in eastern PA. What I wanted to show you in the video was one that the motor runs really nice. I'm losing the sunlight here a little bit. I'm going to show you here. I added the spring to the motor. Helps the ignition work better. This is a make-break ignition. It has like a set of points actually in the combustion chamber. And when the points are closed, the coil charges up, and then when they open up, when they break the contact, you get the spark for the ignition. This part here was flopping around a little bit and it was misfiring. So what I did here was put a really light spring on it, and it holds down this it holds the points open, so they're not like flopping around. And when this comes up, it makes contact with the points, and then when they open, you get the spark. So it runs a lot better with the spring on. It's something you can take off for display if you don't like the looks of it. But I've found with the make-break ignitions that it works much better. I guess on the real motor, this would be a lot heavier and would hold down. But without this and this is a really light spring. Without the spring on here, this thing flops around and it would misfire a bit. I've had it running here for about, almost 40 minutes now. It's might soon going to run out of fuel. One thing I did notice with this is that the fuel pickup for the carburetor, it is a little bit off the bottom. So if it stops running for you and you take the fuel cap off here and you notice that there is some fuel in there, the fuel pickup doesn't go quite to the bottom, so there will still be some fuel in there when you run out. And speaking of running out, it looks like my cell phone battery is going to be running out here shortly, so I'll keep recording here for a little while till that happens. I'm powering it off the ignition right now off of a 12-volt gel cell, but that is not included with the motor. Flywheel, when you're starting it, on all the hit-miss motors I've had, they rotate downward in the back. So as you're looking at it right now, it's a little hard to tell in the video which way it's spinning, but it is rotating. It's rotating counterclockwise. If you have any questions, I have my email address posted below. And thanks for watching.